know gravity doesn't work outside of Earth. But there are many places inside our world where gravity doesn't work. Some space is very scary, again some space is very beautiful. From upside down waterfall to Kyaikyo Pagoda. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Here are 5 places on Earth where gravity doesn't seem to work. Number 5. Upside down waterfall. Rather than defying gravity, as their name suggests, upside-down waterfalls happen when strong gusts of wind blow against a waterfall's flow, thus forcing the stream of waters to spray upward or blow backward. Just look at this strange sight. Yeah, this waterfall really flows in the opposite direction. You got it right. Such a unique natural phenomenon can be observed in the Republic of Chile. You probably thought that this is the real magic, but we hurry to discover you an unusual phenomenon, which it would seem doesn't obey any physics laws and has completely logical explanation. The thing is there were strong gusts of wind that changed the direction of the water flow. Their water spray high into the sky, giving them the nickname of upside down waterfalls, only appear during the rainy season. The reason for this abnormality has more to do with the 100-foot cliff that it sits upon rather than many types of magic. As the water falls to the sea below, strong wind pushes the water back upwards it, then sprays towards the land above, Number 4. The Golden Rock, Myanmar.
In a rich culture, Myanmar at its very, very best.
Kyaikyo Pagoda is a well-known Buddhist pilgrimage site in Mon State, Burma. Myanmar, resting atop Mount Zakyo, is one of the 3 most scared religious sites in Myanmar. The Zakis Pagoda, or the more common, the Golden Boulder. The pagoda stands 24 feet tall, but it's the boulder that gets everyone's attention, massive and unbelievably heavy. The boulder rests on the edge of a cliff with more than half of its surface leaning over open air. The boulder has become scared among Buddhists because legend has it that the boulder remains in place. According to legend, the golden rock itself is precariously perched on a stand of the Buddha's hair. The balancing rock seems to defy gravity as it perpetually appears to be on the verge of rolling down the hill. The rock and the pagoda are at the top of Mountain Kyaikyo. Another legend states that a Buddhist priest impressed the Celestial King with his asceticism, and the Celestial King used his supernatural powers to carry the rock to its current place, specifically choosing the rock for its resemblance to the monk's head. It is the 3rd most important Buddhist pilgrimage site in Burma after the Shwedagon Pagoda and the Mahamuni Pagoda. Number 3. The Death Valley Sailing.
This is Racetrack Playa, home of the Sailing Stones.
Sailing stones are part of the geological phenomenon in which rocks move and inscribe long tracks along a smooth valley floor without animal intervention. The movement of the rocks occurs when large sheets of an ice, few millimeters thick and floating in an ephemeral winter pond, break up on sunny days. It also sits at the driest and lowest elevation in North America between California and Nevada. Stone's Death Valley National Park is a legendary and bizarre place famously known for being the hottest place on Earth. Its strangest feature of all is the mysterious Racetrack Playa, where rocks drift across the flat desert landscape seemingly defying. The stones and periodic changes in the location make it clear that they are in fact moving across the playa in 2014. Scientists were able to capture the movement of the stones for the first time using the time-lapse photography. The results strongly suggest that the sailing stones are because of a perfect balance of ice, water, and wind leaving behind. Number 2. Mount Arrogates, Armenia. Gravity doesn't work on this hill. Huh? Is it real? No, I don't believe it. It seems like in Mount Arrogance in Armenia, the laws of gravity decided to disappear. Here the water in the river flows from the bottom to the top. When you put the car in neutral, it automatically goes uphill without any driver. If you put a bottle on the ground, it will again roll uphill. Walking up the hill feels easier than walking down. It's located on the highway leading to the 19th century Fortress Ambir at an altitude over 7,000 feet above sea level. There are many guesses hypotheses and theories about the mystery of Arrogates. What's happening in this place and how is this possible? Some people think that this is a deformation of gravitational field, and some people have a simpler explanation, an optical illusion due to the absence of the horizon. Whatever is happening here, it has a right to believe in what is more reasonable for him. Whatever is happening here, it attracts many people, and each one of them has a right to believe in what is more reasonable for him. Number 1. Santa Cruz Mystery Spot.
Now you're looking way over his head. You're now looking probably maybe about her neck or so.
Mystery Spot, California. There is a place in Santa Cruz known as the Mystery Spot, where stunning visual illusions compel people to reach for metaphysical explanations to describe their experiences at Santa Cruz Mystery Spot. The Mystery Spot is a gravity hill, tilt-inducted visual illusion. The illusion experienced by visitors results from the oddly tilt environment as well as standing on a tilt floor. Inside the tilt room of the Mystery Spot, misperceptions of the height and orientation of objects occur. The slant of the building in the background causes misperceptions as humans judge the height of people using the slant of the roof rather than the true horizon. You will be stunned as your perceptions of the law of physics and gravity are questioned. The Mystery Spot was discovered in 1939 by a group of surveyors and opened up to the public in 1940. Some think that it's in fact the spacecraft itself, buried deep within the ground. Other theories include carbon dioxide permeating from the Earth, a hole in the ozone layer, a magma vortex, the highest dielectric biocosmic radiation known anywhere in the world. Whatever the cause is, it still remains a mystery. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.